Model: 69-plate Peugeot Boxer 435L4X long wheelbase, diesel 2.2 BlueHDi H2 professional van 140 PS. Tears or repairs needs engine bargain grin. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 217,304. Engine: 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: none runner, cylinder head has been removed for inspection and the pistons are damaged. It will need the engine rebuilding or might just be easier to replace it. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, cruise control. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400